Oh my gosh, this is my new apartment! Yeah! Hey guys, it's me! I moved the keys to my new apartment. I move on Friday, but I actually get to see my actual unit today. Yay! So come along with me. So that's the stairway, my entrance, and that's an awesome view, just playing. This is the furnace and water heater. So awesome. Oh my gosh, there's my living room. And here's the dining room. And the kitchen, which is probably about 3 times as big as my kitchen at my current apartment. And there is a pantry. And I'm out of breath. But I'm so excited. Look at this pantry action, friends. Oh, hey. Let's look at this fridge. Super clean. I like it. If you walk through here, it's washer and dryer, which are not supposed to be in here. Oops. And whoa, this is the bathroom. I'm very excited about this because this vanity is massive. And a big tub. If you walk through here, there's the closets. Pretty good size. This one's a little bit smaller, but if it's just for hanging things, like long hanging things, it's plenty of room. And this is the bedroom. See if you can get dizzy. And if you take this door out, it goes back to the living room. And it's outside here. And there's outside. And the storage unit, or the storage closet. For all my stuff. So now you've seen it empty. So I will post a video once I get everything moved in and get everything situated, because I have all these grand plans, you know, drawn out on paper, actually on my computer, but you won't know anything until you actually get into the space, because certain things look really good on paper and then they don't look so good when you get here. But I'm pretty excited. Started my new job this week. So day 3, the first day it took me 3 times to get to the parking garage. Just kept on driving by it. But since then, no problems getting into the parking garage. Coming out of the parking garage is another story, because today I got in the wrong lane and realized it was too late. So I had to kind of drive around the corner and try to get it. Yeah, so anyway.
Hey divas, it's me, I'm back. Just a little break in the action here. I wanted to clear something up because I keep getting asked the question on social media, Heather, what are you doing now? Who do you work for? Who's your employer? And if you look back at my video when I talked about like where have I been, I talked about work-life balance, and I specifically said that I wasn't going to talk about where I was working because I need work-life balance for pretty much the last lots of years. The whole time most of the time I was at my previous employer. Everyone knew what I did, and people think that that gives them the if they know where you work and what you do, that they can contact you on social media to ask you work questions outside of work time. And I think that and being the person that I am, it's really hard for me to like say, no, I'm sorry, that's a work question, why don't you send that to my work email? And I know that people didn't do it on purpose, but it kind of became an issue for me. So I really made a commitment when I took this new job that I was going to really put a stop to that, because I need a work-life balance. When I was teaching was my life. And that wasn't like the best situation for me. When I was at my previous job, it was my life. There was no hard line between like work Heather and home Heather. It kind of all just meshed together. So the position that I'm in now, and the company that I work for, I want to keep those two things separate. So I have made the conscious decision to not tell people on social media where I work, and I don't want to be put into a position where people are contacting me about the company that I work for and asking me questions. And yeah, I just think it's better if I don't talk about where I work. If you know me well enough that I've told you where I work, you're privileged. There's about 7 people who know, maybe 10, because family. Yeah, not many people know where I work. Yeah, and there's a reason for that. It's because I really am trying to work on work-life balance. The company that I work for really stresses that as well. So, yeah, for those people who are like, where you work, I've asked you, I'm not telling you. You know, I'm just gonna be rude. I'm not telling you where I work. So just wanted to clear that up. You can think I'm rude. You can be like, you're so hateful, Heather. But I don't ask everyone on social media like, oh my god, you're new with the new guy. Oh my god, tell me all about it. You know, so I just want the same courtesy extended to me. And yeah, so back to the regularly scheduled video.
Anyway, because my driving time in half, driving to the new apartment as opposed to my old apartment takes me about 30 minutes to get from my old apartment to and from work. And from this apartment, it will only take me about 12 to 15 minutes. So that's great, because I don't want to be on the road all the time, sitting for hours. So yeah, it's even got that new apartment smell. So like I said, I will come to you with a video of like the apartment all finished. It might take a while. I've got a lot of stuff. Hopefully I'll get to post a video of moving out of my apartment. I'm actually moving out on Saturday. And yeah, I'm almost done packing. I have a few things left to do, but for the most part, I'm done. It's just like the final like kitchen things I need to take out. Like I have some plates and some bowls because obviously I have to eat this week. I've been eating like off of like 4 plates, a couple cups, a few bowls, 1 skillet, 2 pans for like 2 weeks, but that's all good. Oh, and a baking dish. So, yeah. Can't think of the name of it. A cookie sheet. There you go. Because everything else was packed. Thanks to Amanda, who was a lifesaver. She came and packed up my kitchen, and she packed a lot of stuff for me. So shout out to you, Amanda. Hey girl, hey, from your driving instructor. Yeah, she was a great help. So thanks, Amanda. I really, really appreciate it. all of our fun times, all the fun we had, all of our text, message, gifts, gifs, you know, so much fun. Anyway, I have to get the keys back over to the office because I'm not moving in until Friday. So yeah, I'm really excited. It's nice to see it and like actually know what it's gonna look like, because the one that I have seen was first floor, obviously didn't have the steps, so I wasn't really sure what this was all gonna look like. So now I can really imagine my stuff in here, and I'm excited. Yay! So I will talk to y'all later. Bye, divas!